Yes. Can you hear that? That does not sound good. Welcome back to the garage, the place where we are turning your Bronco into your dream Bronco. If this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I'm putting out how-to videos for the weekend mechanic and doing the Bronco entertainment for the Bronco community. Today is a troubleshooting day. So I've had this hum under my Bronco for a little bit. It definitely is coming from the drivetrain, and it's getting worse. And you guys know how it is trying to get to Bronco Super Celebration, and all these problems keep coming up that I'm having to work on and having to fix, and I'm like, I don't have time for this. But here's what's going on. Let me show you. So this is my rear drive shaft, and so that does not sound good, and I'm thinking it's most likely the U-joint in here that has gone bad. I'm gonna pull this apart and drive it without the rear drive shaft, put it in four-wheel drive, and just drive it with the front drive shaft engaged, and just kind of see if that takes away that hum. But also, while I have it all apart, I'm going to take a look at this U-joint and try to replace it. Man, even looking at it, it looks like that is a fresh spot that has just been rubbed down from just that vibration. So I'm guessing that was the noise. Look at that. You can see how that U-joint is just shot in there. Boot's missing and it's broken. And gosh, oh man. Yeah, that is definitely a problem, but still gonna take it for a drive and see how it sounds without it. Well, that was definitely it. The humming is gone, and so I will take my drive shaft to a place that will replace the U-joints for me. I don't have a press. I know that you can do it without a press, but for time on this one, I think I'm gonna just take it to a shop and let them put some new U-joints in it. All right, so I picked up some new U-joints. As you can tell, these are nice and spiffy. Got them from Napa Auto Parts. These are packed full of grease. The pins are all nice and new. Going to take this to my local shop, alignment shop, and get these pressed in to my drive shaft. All right, I got it back. And actually had to get the CV joint in there replaced as well, because that was pretty eaten up. And now it is time to put it back in the Bronco. Alright, that's it. The drive shaft is back in. And let this be your PSA to check your drive shaft bolts. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.